Questa mostra è incentrata sul volto di Cristo.
This exhibit is focused on the face of Christ and the unity of Christ. When we consider the mysteries of the life of Jesus, we are inevitably led to consider that small mystery that is our existence. That's why we set out on a journey. That's why we need to understand more and more who we are and where we are going. The Jubilee is a milestone on this journey. It tells us that as we approach the holy door, the sign of our conversion becomes more and more concrete and tangible. But above all, it becomes a sign of a personal encounter with the risen Lord.
On September the 6th, in preparation for the Jubilee of 2025, His Excellency Archbishop Rino Fisichella, Pro-Prefect of the Section of New Evangelization of the Dicastery for Evangelization, presided over the inauguration of an exhibition, Open Skies, at the Church of Sant'Agnese in Piazza Navona in Rome. The initiative is an integral part of the program The Jubilee is Culture, which involves a series of cultural events in preparation for the Jubilee of 2025. Open Skies, El Greco in Rome, represents one of the first moments of great art that inaugurates a pilgrimage of beauty towards the Holy Year, inviting all visitors to reflect on spirituality through the lens of the extraordinary art of El Greco. El Greco, whose birth name was Domenikos Theotokopoulos, was a prominent artist of the Spanish Renaissance. Born in Crete in 1541, he received his early artistic training on the Greek island, before venturing to Venice to study under the great masters of the Italian Renaissance. His journey eventually led him to Spain, where he spent the majority of his career. El Greco's unique artistic style, characterized by elongated figures, vibrant colors, and a profound sense of spirituality, set him apart as a visionary painter of his time. His works, often infused with deep religious themes, continue to captivate audiences worldwide. For these reasons, the works of El Greco were chosen for this exhibition.
Non dimentichiamo che El Greco
Let us not forget that El Greco was considered a great artist, inspired by mysticism. It is enough to contemplate his works to see that the East and the West are held together. El Greco's geography is very rich from this perspective. I like to say that he already carries it in his name, Theotokopoulos. If his name is touched by God, then it is a unique experience that he also brought into his portraits, and above all, into the expressions of faith, of those mysteries of our faith that are represented right here in his paintings behind us.
El Greco's art serves as a bridge between different cultures and epochs, and his legacy endures as an inspiration to artists and seekers of spiritual insights alike. The exhibition, organized with great care and attention, is made possible thanks to the loan of 3 extraordinary works of art, Leave Spain to be exhibited to the public. These masterpieces include the Holy Family with St. Anne and the Baptism of Christ, both originally housed in the Toledo Hospital de Tavera, and Christ embracing the cross from the Museo Parroquial de El Bonillo. These paintings represent some of the most significant and beloved works of El Greco and will be on display until October the 5th, 2023. But how does this initiative fit into the Jubilee is Culture program?
Il Giubileo è una profonda esperienza di fede.
The Jubilee is a profound experience of faith. It means setting out on a journey, becoming pilgrims, and thus encountering Christ. The passage through the Holy Door, we are in preparation, and so this preparation will have deadlines, starting from next January, which will touch on the year of prayer. Pope Francis wanted a whole year before opening the Holy Door, prayer, but the contemplation of the beauty of art is already a prayer. The beauty of art expresses the mystery of our faith and also makes us more aware in pondering who we are and where we are going.
With these 3 masterpieces of El Greco, this exhibition begins the spiritual and artistic pilgrimage in preparation for the Holy Year of 2025.